Welcome to this quick guide on how to enable request messages from people you follow on the Pinterest app for PC, especially with the latest update. If you want to make sure you never miss a message request from those you follow, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you set it up in just a few clicks. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Once it's up and running, look to the left side of the screen where the main menu is located. Scroll through the menu options and click on Settings. This will take you to a new window where you can customize various parts of your Pinterest experience. Inside Settings, you'll want to find and enter the Social Permissions section. This area controls who can interact with you and how those interactions happen, especially when it comes to messaging. It's where the magic happens for controlling your message requests. Now, under the Messages category in Social Permissions, you should see an option labeled Following. Next to it, click on the Edit button. This is the key step that allows you to adjust how messages come through from people you follow. A small menu or pop-up will appear, giving you different choices for message requests. Select Requests, which means that when someone you follow sends you a message, it will show up as a request that you can either accept or ignore. Finally, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. This ensures that your new settings take effect right away. Now, any messages sent by those you follow will come through as requests, making it easier for you to control your inbox and avoid missing important messages. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can stay connected on Pinterest with the new messaging permissions. Thanks for watching.